So it's Friday night, and I'm doing the pensioner thing of just staying in front of the telly and keeping warm. It's gone a lot colder today. I had a nice run this morning which kept me warm and did a bit of housework, but it's surprising once you be inactive for just sort of an hour how cold it can get. Although the heating bill is covered, I've tried not to put heating on just to give it a bit more, just to see a bit more what pensioners might be like. I'm sure there are some who either can't afford the bills or worried about putting on the heating, and it must be pretty blooming cold really, because if you can't warm up, if you've got mobility problems, there's not a lot you can do really apart from putting on more clothes. And as you can see as well, for shorter hair, I've had the haircut today, which I need to start a new job next week, and my hair's cold as a result, and also it precluded me from any potential slightly bending of the rules. I was going to do that anyway, but the first thing once I walked into the hairdressers was the guy running it saying, also I expect we've got to give you an OAP discount then. So it's surprising how many people in Sutton Coldfield who do read the local paper, because virtually everyone I've bumped into have known has mentioned it one way or the other. So that was that, and I was trying to mix up my meals today as well, so I had a chicken breast spare, so rather than eating that for lunch with some pastas, I cooked that in the oven at lunchtime and had that for dinner in a sandwich. And at lunch I had one of my lovely 5p jacket potatoes with some cheese, melted cheese, which is very nice, and that probably, as a meal, probably cost about 25p or something, so ridiculously good. And so where else has money gone today? I've also had to buy some washing powder doing the housework today. Shorts kept me warm, but then I realised I was completely out of washing powder, so that was another couple of pounds out of the way, although I did buy the cheaper 2-in-1 non-bio rather than the standard one. I think it's Bold or something I buy. I got one for like half the price, so again, just thinking about saving money, and it probably isn't any worse than the branded labels as well.